Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable dial pad tones on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. Unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings app to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now scroll down and choose the Sound and Vibration option on the screen. This menu contains additional options for customizing your sound and vibration features. Step 3. Next, scroll down the menu to locate the dial pad tones option. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Step 4. For the last and most important step, tap on the dial pad tones option to turn it on. Do you want to turn the option off again? Then tapping the option will turn it off by itself. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.